Doors are more than just entry points. They play a major role in your home's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. In Rockford, where homes range from historic builds to modern designs, it's not uncommon for homeowners to encounter recurring door issues. Many of these problems aren't just inconvenient, they can also affect your comfort, safety, and even your energy bills. The good news is that door replacement offers long-term solutions that restore function and beauty to your home. Here's a look at some of the most common door problems in Rockford houses and how replacement can fix them. Drafts and poor insulation. One of the most frequent complaints from Rockford homeowners is dealing with drafty doors. Over time, weather stripping wears down, frames warp, or gaps develop around the edges. This allows cold air to seep in during winter and hot air during summer. The impact: drafts make it harder to regulate indoor temperatures, increasing strain on your HVAC system and driving up energy bills. How replacement helps. Modern replacement doors are built with insulated cores, tight seals, and energy-efficient materials like fiberglass or steel. Installing a new door ensures a snug fit, eliminating drafts and keeping your home comfortable year-round. Sticking, swelling, or warping. Rockford's fluctuating climate, cold winters, humid summers, and seasonal rain, takes a toll on wood doors. Moisture causes swelling or warping, which makes doors difficult to open and close. The impact: constant sticking can damage frames, weaken hinges, and cause unnecessary frustration. How replacement helps. Fiberglass and steel doors are resistant to moisture-related damage and won't warp in humidity. By choosing a durable replacement, you'll enjoy smooth operation and less maintenance over time. Outdated appearance. Curb appeal matters, and an old, weathered, or outdated door can drag down the overall look of your Rockford home. Faded paint, dents, or outdated styles make your home appear less inviting. The impact: a dated entry door diminishes property value and may give the wrong impression to guests or potential buyers. How replacement helps. Replacement doors come in a wide range of modern styles, finishes, and colors. Whether you prefer the timeless elegance of wood, the sleek appeal of fiberglass, or the strength of steel, a new door instantly refreshes your home's exterior. Security concerns. Older doors often lack the robust construction and locking mechanisms needed to provide reliable security. Weak frames, worn hinges, or outdated locks can make your home more vulnerable. The impact: reduced security leaves families feeling uneasy and can compromise your peace of mind. How replacement helps. New doors feature reinforced frames, advanced multi-point locking systems, and strong materials designed to deter break-ins. A replacement door not only protects your home but also increases your confidence in its safety. Excess noise. Living near busy streets or active neighborhoods in Rockford means noise can easily seep indoors through older, poorly insulated doors. The impact: excessive noise disrupts sleep, reduces privacy, and makes it difficult to relax at home. How replacement helps. Many modern doors are designed with insulated cores and tight seals that reduce sound transmission. By upgrading, you'll enjoy a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Moisture damage and rot. For homes with older wood doors, moisture damage is a recurring issue. Rain, snow, and humidity cause rot, peeling, and mold growth, especially if the door hasn't been maintained properly. The impact: moisture damage compromises structural integrity and creates an unattractive appearance. How replacement helps. Fiberglass and steel replacement doors resist rot and moisture damage while still offering stylish finishes that mimic the look of wood. These materials provide the durability needed for Rockford's climate. Final thoughts: from drafts and swelling to outdated looks and security concerns, Rockford homeowners face many common door problems. Fortunately, door replacement offers a long-term fix. With modern materials, energy-efficient construction, and stylish designs, a new door solves functional issues while enhancing curb appeal and security. By choosing professional installation, you'll ensure your new door performs at its best, giving you lasting comfort, peace of mind, and value. Replacing your old door isn't just a repair, it's an investment in your Rockford home's future.